Stop by and take a look at the 2019 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.